Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a cute braid crown hairdo and 2 ways to wear it. So let's begin. At first I made a section and twisted my hair in a bun to get it off my way. Now I start braiding my hair in a Dutch braid. I keep adding hair until I reach my ear, then I just keep on braiding. When the braid is long enough to reach past the middle of my head, I stop braiding and secure the end with a small hair elastic. Now I repeat same procedure on the other side. Both braids are done, so now I can release my hair. To make my braids look fuller, I pull the hair from the sides. For the first look, I crisscross my braids on the back of my head and hide the ends under the braids. I pin them in place with the bobby pins. And the first look is complete. For the second look, I simply tie my hair and a braids in a ponytail. To hide hair elastic, twist the braids around it and secure them with the bobby pins. And the second look is complete. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!